How to activate ShopeePay. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to activate ShopeePay. Activating ShopeePay is very easy. First of all, open up the Shopee official site. Once you get into your Shopee account, click on your profile icon from the top. Then, it will show you the drop-down menu. So, from here, click on the My Account option. After that, click on the Bank and Cards option from the left-hand dashboard. Now scroll down here and click to add new bank account. If you're facing any problems adding a new bank, then head to the Shopee Help Center. Once you are in the Help Center, click on the ShopeePay option from the dashboard. Then, it will describe the detailed steps to activate the ShopeePay. So first of all, make online purchases with Shopee. Then conduct online payments with merchants accepting ShopeePay. Now transfer or receive payments among your contacts and withdraw funds to your bank account. For details, terms and conditions, access them through ShopeePay settings and go to our policy. So let's head to the customer service team. Select the type of user you are. Then choose your inquiry. What is your inquiry about? After that, you need to enter your username and email address and then explain your description. Once you describe the problem, click to submit. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.